humor speech contest, so I've been in Toastmaster for only about a year now. Now that I get some insights on how people prepare their speech and what work goes behind preparing the speeches and what to consider, what not to consider, and how to get the takeaways when the audience are not responding. So that's an important takeaway for me, and that would definitely help me. Probably, I may not contest in the upcoming HSC, but I may definitely take part in the future HSCs.
Sure.
That's the takeaway.
And I should thank you. You are my great recipient today. You are laughing a lot. Thank you. So much. How about you? So you can sit.
Okay. I'm Kirti from Academy DCI. So yeah, it's been only 3 months since I joined Toastmasters, but I got a chance to take part in most of the contests after I joined. This session, yeah, like Sai said, I don't know if I'm going to be contesting, but I think this will help me prepare my speeches for the upcoming thing. So yeah, it was a great session.
You just giving some tips and then upgrade.
Yeah, and for me, stage presence has been kind of a difficult thing. Like, I just walk and gestures have been difficult, but your speech was a good insight to that.
This is my first humor speech.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, I always used to be a serious person. I think myself I am a serious person, so I should deliver some serious message to the audience. That's all I have to think. First time, okay, let's write. When they plan for, I know Karthik and Sundaramans are going to give a lot of feedback, but okay, let me be the toast today. Okay, so I attempted, and yeah,
It
what
looks
you
like
said,
first time.
So thank you so much. When you start writing, right, then it's coming automatically. So I felt it. Maybe I would have given a strong opening, which made you all up. It may have flowed down the. Yeah, I learned a lot of this. Thank you so much. So about you, Karthik.
Yeah, it's the first time it was very nice, and thank you for giving me this opportunity.
Okay. About you.
Oh, the inputs were valuable, so I just can't wait to start my journey and to apply these principles while I start preparing my for these presentations.
We were going to have a long journey. Definitely, those masses time back as quick.
Definitely.
Next session, we would like to see as those masters.
I look forward to it.
Anyway, so your dad, how he did today?
Always he's rocking, that's all.
Always. So this
Yes,
is a great
it's inspiration.
message.
Take inspiration from everybody, that's all. I took inspiration from everyone. Whoever spoke, that's it.
It was very insightful, and in my opinion, like every speech is right now has to implement some humor in it. So there are a lot of takeaways and it would be nice to use them in the future.
And again, to both of you, we are a people place to start working. So, the second,
International part of PSDC. There are a lot of insights. First of all, this is my first time previously I didn't go for any speech context or nothing. Just I tried, but I got a lot of insights.
but it was nice. We should really appreciate you. Whatever I just keep it up, right? I really get more responsibility to it. I was just delivering, but you made sure everyone participating. That's really important.
Just I tried. Thanks, Sir, for giving the opportunity.
Sure.
Thank you.
And when you attend the last moment, right? So we made sure you prepared. I don't know, but again, you comment delivered. Excellent. Thank you so much. Please keep coming. Keep coming. So good, sir.
So very good morning to all. Hema, I'm supposed to Hema. I just came here as a guest, so I thoroughly enjoyed today. So there is a lot of insights. Each and every speaker, I got some point, and I'm really thankful to everyone, and I really enjoyed it.
He helped us be a time today. Thank you.
It's my pleasure to be with time around. It was great learning session. As PD Karthik Mohan just mentioned, the problem with funniest solutions, problem how we suffer, the problem how others suffer. It was a good takeaway from this session. And when DDM Nagaraj mentioned, when the humor doesn't work in the audience, try with a different audience and then customize yourself and then try it a different time. As Adil mentioned, make a note of each and everything when you have observe it, and then it will help you when you deliver a speech and the speech. It was a lot of takeaways from the panel discussions and the facilitators.
When you start putting those questions, you look at
Idiom he mentioned like
deliberately
observance, humor, that was the new takeaway from this session. It was really